मुझे कुछ नया सीखने में बहुत मज़ा आता है। आई enjoy लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू। आई enjoy लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू। उसने मुझे कभी निराश नहीं किया। He has never disappointed me. He has never disappointed me. क्या तुम्हें यह करने का तरीका पता है? Do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this? मैंने यह अपने अनुभव से सीखा है। I have learned this from my experience. I have learned this from my experience. वह मुझसे बिना वजह नाराज है। He is angry with me for no reason. He is angry with me for no reason. हमें जल्दी ही इस पर फैसला लेना होगा। We have to make a decision on this soon. We have to make a decision on this soon. क्या तुम मेरी जगह होते तो यही करते? Would you do the same if you were in my place? Would you do the same if you were in my place? मुझे भरोसा है कि तुम यह कर सकते हो। I believe that you can do this. I believe that you can do this. मैं जल्द ही वहाँ वापस जाऊँगा। I will reach there soon. I will reach there soon. ये मत सोचो कि मैं हार मान लूँगा। Don't think that I will give up. Do not think that I will give up. मुझे इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि लोग क्या कहते हैं। I don't care what people say. I do not care what people say. क्या तुमने उसकी बात सुनी? Did you listen to him? Did you listen to him? हमें इसे गंभीरता से लेना होगा। We have to take this seriously. We have to take this seriously. यह मुझे अजीब लगता है। It feels weird to me. It feels weird to me. मैं इसे जल्दी ख़त्म करना चाहता हूँ। I want to finish it quickly. I want to finish it quickly. क्या तुमने यह पहले कभी किया है? Have you ever done this before? Have you ever done this before? हमें किसी से बिना वजह नाराज नहीं होना चाहिए। We shouldn't be angry with someone without a reason. We should not be angry with someone without a reason. क्या तुमने अपना वादा निभाया? Did you keep your promise? Did you keep your promise? मैंने यह पहले कभी नहीं सुना। I have never heard this before. I have never heard this before. क्या तुम मुझे सही से समझ रहे हो? Are you understanding me correctly? Are you understanding me correctly? हमें अपने जीवन में अनुशासन बनाए रखना चाहिए। We should maintain discipline in our life. We should maintain discipline in our life. वह बहुत मेहनती इंसान है। He is a very hard-working person. He is a very hard-working person. क्या तुमने उसे फ़ोन किया था? Did you call him? Did you call him? तुम्हें इस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। You should pay attention to this. You should pay attention to this. हमें इसे गहराई से समझना होगा। We have to understand this deeply. We have to understand this deeply. ये इतना मुश्किल क्यों है? Why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? मैंने इसे पूरी तरह से समझ लिया है। I have understood it completely. I have understood it completely. मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम मेरी बात सुनो. I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me. तुम्हें अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझनी चाहिए. You should understand your responsibility. You should understand your responsibility. मैंने यह पहले कभी नहीं सुना. I have never heard this before. I have never heard this before. हमें इसे बार बार करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We don't need to do this repeatedly. We do not need to do this repeatedly. अगर तुम चाहो तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता हूँ. If you want, I can help you. If you want, I can help you. मुझे नहीं लगता कि यह अच्छी आदत है. I don't think this is a good habit. I do not think this is a good habit. हमें एक नई शुरुआत करनी चाहिए. We should make a fresh start. We should make a fresh start. हमें इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए. We should take this seriously. We should take this seriously. उन्हें मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार कहना. Give them my regards. Give them my regards. क्या तुम मेरे साथ मार्केट आओगे? Will you come to the market with me? Will you come to the market with me? क्या तुम्हें यह दुकान पसंद आई? Did you like this shop? Did you like this shop? क्या यहाँ नकद भुगतान भी स्वीकार किया जाता है? Is only cash payment accepted here? Is only cash payment accepted here? यह दुकान कब खुलती है? When does this shop open? When does this shop open? हमें जल्दी करना चाहिए. We should hurry up. We should hurry up. क्या तुमने वह शर्ट देखी? Did you see that shirt? Did you see that shirt? ये कपड़ा अच्छी गुणवत्ता का है. This fabric is of good quality. This fabric is of good quality. मैंने यह ऑनलाइन खरीदा था. I bought this online. I bought this online. दुकान वाले ने अच्छा ऑफर दिया. The shopkeeper gave a good offer. The shopkeeper gave a good offer. चलो अब घर चलते हैं. Let's go home now. Let's go home now. क्या तुमने उसकी नई घड़ी देखी? Did you see his new watch? Did you see his new watch? वेटर को ऑर्डर दो. Give the order to the waiter. Give the order to the waiter. तुम्हें कौन सा व्यंजन पसंद है? Which dish do you like? Which dish do you like? हमें मेन्यू देखना चाहिए. We should check the menu. We should check the menu. क्या तुम कॉफ़ी पियोगे? Will you have coffee? Will you have coffee? मुझे ठंडा पानी चाहिए. I need cold water. I need cold water. यह मिठाई बहुत स्वादिष्ट है. This sweet is very delicious. This sweet is very delicious. मुझे घर पर ही खाना पसंद है. I prefer eating at home. I prefer eating at home. क्या ये होटल अच्छा है? Is this hotel good? Is this hotel good? हमें कुछ नया ट्राई करना चाहिए. We should try something new. We should try something new. मैंने अभी तक कुछ नहीं खाया. I haven't eaten anything yet. I have not eaten anything yet. मुझे हल्का खाना खाना पसंद है. I like to eat light food. I like to eat light food. बाजार में बहुत चहल पहल थी. The market was very lively. The market was very lively. तुम्हें कितना भुगतान करना पड़ा? How much did you have to pay? How much did you have to pay? मैंने एक नई जोड़ी जूते खरीदे. I bought a pair of new shoes. I bought a pair of new shoes. क्या तुम्हें यह रंग पसंद आया? Do you like this color? Do you like this color? मुझे छूट पसंद है. I like discounts. I like discounts. दुकान बहुत भीड़-भाड़ वाली थी. The shop was very crowded. The shop was very crowded. मैं अपने लिए नए कपड़े ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I'm looking for new clothes for myself. I'm looking for new clothes for myself. ये सामान बहुत महंगा है. This item is very expensive. This item is very expensive. क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? मुझे फल और सब्जियां खरीदनी है. I need to buy fruits and vegetables. I need to buy fruits and vegetables. हमें हमेशा नए कौशल सीखने चाहिए. We should always learn new skills. We should always learn new skills. मैं रोज 3 घंटे पढ़ाई करता हूँ. I study for 3 hours daily. I study for 3 hours daily. यह बैग हल्का और टिकाऊ है. This bag is lightweight and durable. This bag is lightweight and durable. यह गिफ्ट पैक करवा सकते हैं. Can you get this gift wrapped? Can you get this gift wrapped? मैं इस बैग को लौटाना चाहता हूँ. I want to return this bag. I want to return this bag. मुझे यह बैग दूसरी दुकान में सस्ता मिला था. I found this bag cheaper at another shop. I found this bag cheaper at another shop. मेरे पास बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स हैं. I have a lot of gifts. I have a lot of gifts. मैं अगले महीने एक नई घड़ी खरीदूंगा. I will buy a new watch next month. I will buy a new watch next month. इस बैग की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है. The quality of this bag is very good. The quality of this bag is very good. यह बैग बहुत हल्का है. This bag is very lightweight. This bag is very lightweight. मैं अपने भाई के लिए एक बैग लेना चाहता हूँ. I want to buy a bag for my brother. I want to buy a bag for my brother. यह बैग ब्रांडेड है या लोकल? Is this bag branded or local? Is this bag branded or local? मुझे यह बैग इस्तेमाल में बहुत अच्छा लगा. I found this bag very good for use. I found this bag very good for use. बैग की चेन मजबूत लग रही है. The zipper of the bag seems very strong. The zipper of the bag seems very strong. मुझे यह बैग किसी और रंग में चाहिए. I want this bag in a different color. I want this bag in a different color. यह बैग waterproof है या नहीं? Is this bag waterproof or not? Is this bag waterproof or not? यह बैग ज़्यादा भारी नहीं होना चाहिए. This bag shouldn't be too heavy. This bag should not be too heavy. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video on this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.